Welcome back to Facebook Monetization, and in this video we're going to be talking about strategies for creating a funnel of Facebook-based products, because once you've delivered one membership on Facebook, you will have some people who will like the idea of having that membership or having that product on Facebook, and they like the experience of it. They like being able to access the content while they're on Facebook. They like being able to interact with the other members, and so this is a great way if you are going to find that some of your members just want to experience the content that way. Now, that means that you want to create an entire funnel, and when you do that, when you're delivering your live event, we talked about that in another video. It's easier to move buyers into other products that you can use to help and deliver them into Facebook. So in other words, if someone's already in the membership, if you can tell them about another product that you have, that it's going to be deliverable on Facebook, then all you got to do is purchase it. You're going to give them access. Again, they're going to be able to then see and experience all their content in one place. This is a great way, again, to just really get people who really want it that way. Now, the other thing to consider is that you can offer group or webinar based coaching if you haven't done that already. We talked about that a little bit in the last video. Group coaching allows you to talk back to the members when you're on the webinar. It allows you to pretty much present the content that you would do, but you'd be presenting it live, and you're giving people the opportunity to ask questions. Now, some people prefer to experience the same content you're giving in an information product in that content. Now, you can always take the recordings and use it to create another product and deliver it to people who don't necessarily want to be on a live call. But delivering group coaching allows you to create content and to be able to deliver content to people and have them paid. So you can have people inside of a one-time fee membership where they're going to be getting webinars on a regular basis or for a fixed term, and then you're going to be able to deliver that content again to someone else. Now, when you start thinking about pricing for a one-time coaching price, probably talking about a price between $9 and $27 and fixed term. Now, what you also want to do is consider offering some one-off products with a little bit of moderation. So you're going to be present. You're going to actually post there once a week. And when you do that, you're going to want to ask for a little more in terms of price, because you're going to be there moderating, right? Whatever requires your presence. Okay, whatever requires your presence, even if it's just once a week or once every so often, you want to ask for a little more than your standard information product. Okay, now the goal is to get your members to moderate. So you want to have the kind of course where your members are actually fielding the questions. You want to make the product evergreen after a period of time, so that you're not tied down to it, so that you're not moderating forever. You eventually want to have your members moderating the product as time goes on. But again, this is a one-time fee product, okay, where you're just going to show up there probably once a week and then interact with the buyer. Okay, so creating there are lots of products that you wanted to create, and when you deliver them through a live event, or you deliver them either through a sales page, you can create this funnel based on the fact that there are some of your buyers who want their products delivered to them on Facebook, and you want to give them the range of products that you have available. So it's almost as if you're going to recreate your funnel, except that you want to have that funnel deliverable to people on Facebook, so they get the same content, they can get the same kind of instruction, they can get the same kind of interaction with you, except that they're getting it through a Facebook group, where again, which is much easier for you to be able to administer from the standpoint of not necessarily having a membership site, only needing to set your terms, or setting your settings to private or closed or secret, and then being able to deliver the content by uploading it to the site. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.